Tired of seeing a moringa harvest go to waste or paying high prices for it at the store? Stop right there. This video will show you how to turn this into a pantry staple for free. Making it at home allows you to ensure the powder is free from any additives, chemicals, or preservatives that might be found in store-bought versions. And the cost savings. Harvesting the leaves, processing them yourself, it's more economical than buying prepackaged powder. Growing moringa at home allows you to harvest the freshest leaves possible. When selecting the best leaves, choose the young, tender leaves as they contain a higher concentration of nutrients. Moringa powder tea is a beverage that's made from the dried leaves of the moringa tree. It is a rich source of nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. May improve heart health, blood sugar control, digestive health, immune function, weight management, sleep quality, skin care health, and so much more. Wash your hands and tools to avoid contaminating the leaves. I'm harvesting in bundles with the stem ends together to make handling easier. It's best to collect those leaves that are vibrant green, devoid of any blemishes, and again, preferably young as they contain more nutrients. Gently wash the harvested leaves in cold water to remove any dirt, debris, or impurities. Regular clean water is fine. I choose to use Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. Also, if you like, you can strip the leaves before washing them. I choose to leave everything attached. After washing the leaves, I brought them inside, patted them dry with a paper towel, and I left them here to dry overnight. Now that they're dry, I will place the leaves along with the stem inside a brown paper bag. I'll place it in a cool, dry, dark area for about 2 to 3 weeks or until the leaves become crispy. And try not to overcrowd your bag. This way, it dries a lot faster. Also, I give it a loose fold at the top. I'm storing my bag inside this cabinet, along with all the other herbs that I'm drying out. Now, if you're in a hurry and the old-fashioned way does not suit you, you can always dry the leaves using a dehydrator. Turn your backyard moringa harvest into a vibrant, nutrient-packed tea and or powder that can be used all year round. Once the leaves have been plucked from the stems and are completely dried and crisp, go ahead and use a blender or a food processor or coffee grinder to grind the leaves into a powder. It may be necessary to grind in small batches if necessary, and pulse or run the grinder until you achieve your desired consistency. Keep your moringa powder in a cool, dark, and dry place, such as in a pantry, in an airtight container to prevent moisture exposure. Also, avoid heat, light, and humidity, which can degrade the powder and can cause clumping or mold. It's best if consumed within 6 to 12 months for peak potency and benefits. Also, look for change in color from bright green to brown or an unpleasant odor, which can indicate spoilage. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.